Hi guys, so this is going to be an unboxing video for the BLU Advanced 4.0L. So this phone came out May of 2015, so it's still relatively new. It is one of the cheapest phones that you can get on the market right now. I think it retails for about $50. And then here are the basic specs. So it has a 4.0 WVGA display, 1.3 GHz dual core processor, a 3.4 megapixel camera and a VGA front camera, 4 gigs of internal memory, and it also takes a micro SD card of up to 64 gigabytes. And the operating system is running is Android 4.4 KitKat. So let's just open the box. It comes in a couple of different colors. I think it's 6 colors that it shows on here. So it has like a green, a blue, a pink, an orange, and also a white. The one that I have is the black version. So this is what the phone looks like. And then in the box, there's the battery, the quick guide, a charger and adapter, some earphones, and it also comes with a screen protector, which is neat because I think for these less popular phones it's very hard to get accessories like screen protectors and cases. So that's a really nice add-on. So let's just quickly pop in the battery and test the phone. Now keep in mind that this phone does only have 512 megabytes of RAM, so multitasking could be a bit of a problem, but it should be sufficient for just basic phone users that, you know, I'm sure apps like WhatsApp and Instagram will run fine like on a device like this, but just keep in mind for multitasking, it could be a little bit hard. So the camera looks like this is just a tutorial. I will take some test pictures with this camera and then I will put a link to it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. But all I can say for now for the camera is that it's pretty basic. The megapixel for the back camera, once again, is 3.2, and then the front camera is a VGA camera. If you want to do video chats or do selfies. What else? We can test out the keyboard for typing. So that wasn't too bad. I mean, I've been using Android for a really long time now, so for me, just the normal Google keyboard It's pretty easy for me to use, but I guess if it's somebody coming from an iPhone, I could see them having a learning curve with this keyboard. What I like to do with the keyboard to make typing smoother is to go into the settings and turn off the vibrate, because I feel like each time the keyboard vibrates, it restricts the speed that I can type at. And for the Google keyboard, the autocorrect is also really nice, so you don't have to worry about hitting all the right keys, just as long as you get it in the right area. So that's the keyboard. I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. And then lastly, we can go ahead and test out the browser. You can try to go on Reddit. It took a bit. It's a little bit of a lag, but overall it's pretty smooth. Although, I mean, a website like Reddit is not really graphic heavy. So we can do something like Mobile Syrup, which is a mobile website that I go on regularly. I mean, it takes a bit of a time. Takes a bit of time to load, but scrolling through, it's actually pretty smooth. And the images are pretty clear. Yeah, but just from the first impressions of this phone, I'm pretty satisfied with it so far, especially again for the price point of $50. You really can't go wrong. Especially would be a good choice for kids or for seniors that just need a basic phone, but they also have access to the Android App Store in case they want to download an app or two. But yeah,